Okay, girls.
I'm not a girl.
All right, girls. Hey, girls. Are you girls ready to play?
No! We're not calling girls. We'll kick your butt in a fight.
All right, what are you gonna make happen out there?
A shot on goal.
Nice. All right, Sammy, what are you gonna make happen out there, dude? No?
Lots of things.
There you go. Nice.
Goal.
What are we gonna make happen, Aiden? Yeah. Nice.
Let him have it, buddy. Just sit back.
All right. Atta man.
They don't stretch.
All right, tough guy. There you go. All right, guys. You guys ready to get after it? Yeah? Awesome. Come on, get up there.
Ready?
Yeah. We're in.
Good evening, hockey fans. Today we're in the ice box here. The Carolina Hurricanes versus the Boston Bruins, okay? And we got the Capitals versus the Preds halftime show, and I'm standing here with Aiden. Aiden, tell us, what are you going to do in tonight's game?
Really, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna score a lot of goals and just have a lot of fun.
All right, fans, that's a great testimony there, bud. Now we'll go live to the game. Here we go.
Capitals. Right up here, guys.
Hey, Shay, red line and line up on that side.
All right. Stop that. All right, guys.
29.
We need a little M&M going on. You got one shot. Okay, hang on, guys. Brady, get over here, bud. Come on over. You guys stay there together. All right. Come on over, bud.
Guys, one more thing. When you're playing and you hear the horn like that, that means the game's over.
It's brought to you by JT's Landscaping and Lawn Care. Hockey players will take the guys from the mini game, giving you the call from the officers, our very own